This might be the toughest keypad lock you'll ever install, and it doesn't even need wiring. I'm Jennifer, and on this week's Tool Review Tuesday, we'll check the Alarm Lock DL2700. Let's see the highlights. Number 1. Heavy-duty security. It's Grade 1 certified, built for high traffic areas and maximum durability. Number 2. Standalone Convenience. No wiring required. Just install and program directly at the keypad. Number 3. User capacity. Supports up to 100 user codes, making it ideal for offices, schools, or retail spaces. But here is one thing to keep in mind. Programming can take a little longer the first time, but once it's set up, it runs smooth. The DL2700 is a true workhorse, reliable, secure, and trusted by locksmiths everywhere. Get the Trilogy DL2700 now at locksmithkeyless.com and upgrade your client's security today.